time for a facelift. Damn.
What's going on, you guys? Today we'll be installing projector headlights in the jet black color from Alpharex USA, which feature DRLs on the top and bottom, as well as sequential turn signals. I also purchased the converter because I have stock projector headlight connections on the Rebel as well.
Alright, you guys, so we're going to start off by removing the old headlights that I have. I'm having these sent back to get fixed, but you see how this one's kind of fine, and then this one just completely built up. So we're going to take these out and then put the new Alpharex headlights in as well. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start by taking off this plastic cover. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some of my clips broke off, so I just got to remove some of these, and then this panel will come off right here. And I do have to take off the grille and the light bar, and I also have to remove the zip ties that are holding down the wiring, so I can loosen that up, pull this out, pull the grille out, and then we can get to the headlight. So now I'm going to be pulling the headlights out, and it's just 1, 2 on each side, right here, and then 1 right there. And you also have to get this little panel right here. You can just pull off this 1 tab right there, and you gotta reach in. There's gonna be a white tab where you either push up or pull down to loosen the headlight housing, and then it'll just come right out. Alright, so I just raised the truck because air suspension makes it a little bit easier for me to get under, pull off that tab, and then I can reach under and grab that little that plastic tab basically, so I can push it up and release the housing. You gotta reach right under this flap right here, and then from there, you're gonna feel around for this white tab. You're basically, in this case, you're gonna have to push it up, and then that'll release the lock, pull the headlights out, and then once you have the headlights set in, you're gonna use the same lock, and you're going to pull down to lock it in place. I have the wires for the DRL. Basically, we're just gonna run it up, positive and negative to the battery. You have a wire for fuse tap, and then a red wire that goes into both of the headlights. So we have 1 wire right here, ran it through. I'm gonna tidy it up. We have the 2nd wire that ran up and over right here, and then we have the 2 wires for the DRL, or you got the positive and negative, and then you also have the wire for the fuse tap. For my headlights, I need the adapter, which they also provide. Alright, so we got the adapter right here. That's going to be plugging into the truck. So we have 2 other adapters right here. One is going to be plugged in to this unit. Like such. And this one is going to be plugged in here. So same thing for the others. Okay, so that one took a little bit of force. Just like that. So now, connect this wire. Alright, so obviously I have the plastic still on, but I want to make sure before I tighten down the bolts and lock down the little white tab that these are working fine. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Looks good so far. Let's press on. As you guys can see, I kind of got frustrated with getting the headlights in. For some reason, it was just a really tight fit for me to pull on the white latch to kind of hook onto the headlights. I'm assuming it's because of those adapters that I needed, just because I have those projector headlights. The adapters kind of just gave me that much less room to work with. So I actually called my friends Pandaram and Murder370Z to help me out and get these in. But yeah, so here's the finished product. I think these look super clean. Really nice. I do not have the LEDs yet, so they're just the standard bulbs, but there is a conversion kit which I'm looking at. It's not expensive at all, made by the same company, so I'll probably hit up Alpharex and purchase that from them soon. Show the other side. I didn't show too much, but I did get my pods in also from FCK, and then I also put some vinyl on the RAM logo right here.
Yeah!